out there, rolling in the dirt. Come on. Here we have Black Pearl Travado. Right behind them is van trekking, parked in this absolutely gorgeous spot. Along the Matanuska River. Here we are trying to level out the van. I was complaining because it was a little unlevel. You might think that we are a little bit too close to the river, but this isn't like most rivers that you might be aware of. This water is fed by glacial water, so it doesn't rise and fall like most rivers. And we can listen to the sound of the water all night long and wake up to this beautiful view in the morning. I'm pretty sure this evening is going to be a great evening. Say hi, Michael.
Wow, look at that. Frozen.
After a great night of good music, great people, and what you might call a sunset, it's time to call it a night. Good morning. Take a look at this. Can you think of a better way to wake up? Because I sure can't.
You found us another Alaskan dude, you know. We talk everywhere we go, don't we?
Yeah.
Hi, Maggie.
We decided to take a little stop before we get up to Hatcher's Pass and Independence Mine and walk along this Gold Mint Trail, which is a 13.4 mile moderately trafficked out and back trail, and the dogs are just loving it. I think we're gonna stop here. I don't feel like crossing this river. What do you think?
That's so adorable.
Are you cooling off?
It's a good way to get clean. Aww.
We didn't make it as far up the Gold Mint Trail as we would have liked to because there's a lot more to see and it kind of started to rain on us.
There's a message drifting in the air.
Gold was first discovered here in 1896, and this mine produced 34,000 ounces of gold and was the most friendliest mine to work for, and it closed in 1951.
Perfect week on my move though already. I don't have to go. We'll do another try to do this. I'm 52 years old. 54.
quarter mile. We got this.
Quarter-mile trail. No, this is. Oh, okay. Travels around the middle and ends near the water tunnel. It's very steep for some of this. Can't be an idiot.
We'll take it easy on you. Owen is still mumbling and grumbling back there. I'm not going to tell him what he's getting himself into, but I have faith in him. Wow. This is beautiful. We lost the trail for a minute there. There's a lot of uphill, so it's a quarter-mile walk, but it's definitely an uphill walk. It's worth it though. Look at this. When they said that this trail is steep, they weren't joking. I'm having to take a few breaks along the way. It shows me how much I'm out of shape.
You got it marked with a flag. Where? We can pull each other across and.
The views are absolutely spectacular.
All aboard! What, the monitor hook?
I think you need to plug a few things in here. Minor hooker.
So this is what happened on November 30th with our 7.1 earthquake. All these buildings just came tumbling down.
Oh gosh.
I've heard a story, I've heard it said, I've come to believe that love is a bet. Sometimes you win and sometimes you lose, and sometimes it calls you right in the move. Come to my table, come to my bed, go easy my hunger, easy my head, bringing me fire, bringing me water, taking me high, taking me down. Give me your pretty, give me your messy, give me your happy, give me your sad. bringing me fire, bringing me water, taking me high, taking me down. Taking me down, taking me down.
Maggie?
Maggie is way out there chasing ground squirrels, and we're standing here in awe, just enjoying these Alaskan views. I don't even feel like I'm in Alaska anymore. It somehow feels like I've been transported into the French Alps. Ember is enjoying Summit Lake, and we're enjoying having you along with us on our journeys. If you're new to our channel, you can hit that subscribe button, and if you like this video, we appreciate the thumbs up. You can also leave us a comment in the comment section below, because we always look forward to hearing from you. We'll see you again soon.